Hello YouTubes, I'm Austin and I'm a grad student at UT Southwestern working on my PhD. Today I will be answering a question for Elizabeth as a part of Ask a Scientist. Elizabeth is 12 and in the 7th grade. Her question is, what is the name of the best telescope? Elizabeth, that's a great question, and there are many telescopes that are awesome. So it's kind of hard to pick just one. But I'll tell you about a couple that are really famous and really powerful. One of which is the Hubble telescope. It was launched in 1990 as a NASA program. Its purpose is to observe the most distant stars and galaxies as well as the planets of our own solar system. This telescope is basically a really huge camera, and it weighs about as much as 2 full-grown African elephants. That's like 24,000 pounds. Hubble is also widely considered to be the largest advance in astronomy since Galileo's own telescope. Since Hubble is in space, it orbits the Earth and flies around at about 17,000 miles per hour. If the Hubble were in Maryland, it could see a pair of fruit flies in Tokyo. It's so powerful. Also, if we look at really distant stars and galaxies, it can see stars and galaxies that are over 13 billion light years from Earth. Another really great telescope is the Atacama Large Millimeter and Submillimeter Array, also called ALMA. ALMA was fully operational in 2013, and it's located in the high mountains of the Chilean desert, around 15,000 feet high. The purpose of ALMA is to provide insight on star birth during the early universe and to provide detailed imaging of local star and planet formation. So this is an array of antennas. So this is one of the largest astronomical projects in existence. Another really great telescope is the Kepler Space Telescope. It was launched in 2009 with the mission of detecting potentially life-supporting planets. And it's already found some. So this is great. You can look up Goldilocks planets and the Kepler Space mission in the links below. And a couple other honorable mentions are the James Webb Telescope. Now this telescope isn't made yet, but it's going to be somewhat of a replacement for the Hubble. Hubble's getting old and won't last forever. The James Webb is supposed to help replace that, and it will also orbit Earth as a space telescope. And another one that will be located on Earth and will have 10 times the power of the Hubble is the Giant Magellan Telescope. This telescope will have an optical surface of 80 feet wide. That's like 2 school buses wide. And this is also a huge project. It's an international consortium of universities and science institutions. If you want to read more about this, there's some links below the video. Click on those, read all you want, and like and subscribe. Ask a Scientist by SPEaC at UT Southwestern. Thanks.